Alright, so the next step is to take a little tour of our Google Analytics account. And so if you're poking around a little bit, Google will pop up with a tour dialog that you can go through. So really quick, here, if you're here, you can open that up and switch to different accounts. So again, if you have a group of websites about different topics, such as clothing, video games, or sports, and you own different websites in those areas, you can click through and group those websites together. Next, you can view reports. So you can see reports in real time, like what's going on right now on your website. You can take a look at your audience and who they are and understand a little bit more about your users. Acquisition tells you where you are acquiring your users or website visitors from. Are they coming from Facebook? Are they coming from a friend's website? All right. Behavior tells you what they're doing on your website. And conversions are things like sales, or if you want somebody to download a file, like a music file or a book. Right? So tracking those conversions and how many people press on the button you want them to press on. Next, you have some areas where we can customize reports. If we go next, areas we can change settings and administer your account. Up here you can search for help or other reports that might be available. And finally, you can expand with these arrows. You can expand and make more room for other additional reports. So that's your tour of Google Analytics. Go ahead and poke around a little bit, but don't change anything yet. Let's hold off on that until we understand more about how to use this Google Analytics account.